What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Gonna go over from BTC. We're sitting at 26.4K, down 1.18 on the day. Same market cap, 516 billion, 24 hour 11.76 billion. So we'll open this up. We only got 3 waves up. We never got a 5-wave impulse, so that's most likely corrective. So I adjusted the wave count accordingly. A, B, C into a W. A, B, C into a potential X, and then you would come down in the wave Y. That's what I think is likely. What we would likely see here is a rejection and a continuation down, which could take you down to the golden ratio of 25.8 or 25.4K. If we can just see a straight breakout and we start to break that X wave high, from an Elliott wave perspective, maybe a really ugly leading diagonal. Right now, I think it's the lower probability because we only saw a 3-wave move, but anything is possible. So we do come up and break that X wave high. We could look at a straight breakout scenario, but it does look like just a corrective move, and continuation down would be a little bit more likely, in my opinion. The trend line here, if you connect it by the wicks, then you can see we are currently finding resistance there at that trend line. So it looks like what BTC wants to do is come down a little bit lower and then bounce, start to break that trend line. If we start to break that low, then that opens up the floodgates for 23.8K. But until then, definitely potential for just a little bit more pullback before a bounce. DXY, we can come down from here. We haven't quite met the technical target, as well as the 50% retracement is sitting at 107. So I think it's likely DXY pushes up a bit more before seeing that large rejection. And that would lead Bitcoin to coming down in the wave Y before seeing continuation. Now, once we enter our bounce zone once again, I'll likely look to take a position. A long position. We did enter with a break of that high, and then it rolled over, but luckily we got out when it pushed back up, so it was very minimal loss on that trade. But once we come down, if we see a reaction to the 61.8 or the 78.6, that will give us another trade opportunity, and a signal will be given in the Discord for only 10 USD per month. If you want a 14-day free trial, you can sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders who are absolutely dying for an exchange. Email me or sign up email. You also get a 20% deposit bonus, my subscribers only, into their futures account. And otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon for daily crypto analysis for many coins, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, and Forex signals and Forex analysis. Basic Discord access is free, over 2,000 members. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.